Hello guys, this is Sandra here. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. It's lovely to have you here and I hope you're gonna enjoy your time. Not sure what the hand is for, but here we go. So today, is it too bright? So today it's time for a project pen intro, and this time it's the Partners in Cream project pen. So if you have never stumbled across these videos before, it was started by Steph and her friend DaLin. I will link both of them down below. Now DaLin is taking a bit of a time off from the project because she's a new mummy, so congratulations to her. And apart from that, what do I have to tell you? In this project, as the name suggests, we work on cream products. You can choose from 3 to 6 products to work on. I usually choose 6 and it's the same this time around as well. And you can choose basically anything that's not a powder, just to make sure that you don't overlook these products in your collection, since they, they tend to go off a little bit quicker than anything else. There are monthly updates and you can have quarterly refreshes as well. Is there anything else? There is a sheet with everyone on it who's participating, so that will be linked below as well, and every other information I possibly forget. But again, I will link Steph down there as well so you can watch her video, so you know what's going on in case I'm not clear enough, which might happen. But anyway, now let's hop into the products. As I mentioned, I'm gonna work on 6 products just because, I don't know, that seems like a good number and I like to max myself out. So if you can choose 6 as the most amount of number, I will go for it. So the first product is this Becca Zero Pigment Foundation. Now I have a video that I filmed a little while ago, it must be my previous video, where I talk about products that I want to work on this year. So some of these I would have mentioned in that video as well. Not all of them, but some of them. So I will link that in the cards, which I think is that side. One of the top corners. But anyway, I mentioned that I want to work on this product as well. Now, this one is one of those products that when it came out, everyone was really confused. Is it a foundation? Is it a primer? It's supposed to be a blurring foundation that doesn't give color. I don't like it as a foundation. I don't find it's enough, but I do like it as a pore filling, a smoothing primer. So that's what I have been using it all this time. And I took pictures of what it looks like. There is a little bit missing, but not an awful lot. You will be able to follow where we are with pictures, as I took some pictures of this product. I don't feel like it disturbs my foundation. I just don't feel like it's something that's enough by itself. So I just want to make sure to get some good use out of it. At the moment, I don't... Oh no, that's a lie. I have the e.l.f. primer as well, the putty primer. That's again pore filling. And this one does a really similar job. So I just thought, you know what? Why not get this out of my collection? Because Becca is not a brand that you can get anymore. So I might as well get, some good use out of it. And I have 2 more Becca products here, so I might as well go through those. So one of them is the Aqua Luminous Concealer in the shade Fair. So you will see I don't have an awful lot left in there. You can definitely see through the packaging already. Now, this at the moment by itself is a little bit dark for me, so I have to mix it with a lighter concealer. This is the second lightest in the range, or used to be when there was actually a range. But yes, it's a little bit dark for me, and I have another shade as well, which is Porcelain. This is the oldest out of the 2, and I can definitely smell that it started to go, and since there's so little left in there, I just want to use it up and make sure that it's out of my collection. This used to be my favorite concealer, so if you have been around on my channel for a while, you probably heard me talk about these many times. At one point I had like 3 of the lightest shades, and I just love this product, so I want to make sure to use it before it goes bad. And then the last item I have from Becca is the Skin Love Glow Mist, and I love this. It smells so nice. It's perfect if your skin is more on the dry side, or if you over powder your makeup, or if you have a bit more dry areas in some places, you can just mist it on that area. And while I'm quite sad to use it because obviously you can't get it anymore, I bought it back up. So I'm just like, I don't need to, so I might as well just at least get one of them out of my collection. Now I marked it so you can see that's where I'm at the moment, so that's a bit more than quarter of the product, so I know confidently, you know, that I can use this product up. And again, it's one of those products that I love, so it's not gonna exactly be a hardship to use it up, but at the same time I'm just like, I don't need to. If I love it, I just need to use it before it goes bad. Although I don't know, can setting sprays go bad? I assume they can, but I'm not gonna wait for that to happen with this. So, you know, this is the third product I'm gonna work on, and now we move on everything that's not back up, basically. Let's get the complexion product out of the way first. So I have here the Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue. So this is like a BB CC cream kind of product. So it's called a Tinted Hydrating Gel Cream. And you know, it describes it pretty well. I do really like this product. It's a really lightweight kind of tinted moisturizer kind of thing. So it's perfect on the days when I don't want a lot of makeup. Especially I like to wear it when I know I have to go out and wear my mask, but I'm not wearing a lot like on my eyes, because with a heavier eyeshadow, like let's say for example today where it's quite colourful, though I'm not sure how it comes through with the lights, but on days when I'm wearing a bit more eyeshadow, I like to go for a heavier base just because I feel like it balances it out. But on the days when I just want to throw in a mascara and, you know, maybe a bronzer in my crease, or I'm not wearing anything too much, I like to wear something like this. And it's also good because it's such little coverage that it doesn't really stick to my mask a lot. And yeah, basically I like it on days when I want to wear something natural. And I have so many complexion products, I feel like I bought quite a few foundations lately. So to combat that and make sure that my drawers are not piling up, I thought I'm gonna work on this one. Now, as you can see, I'm about there. So again, sort of like with the setting spray, it's a bit more than a quarter of a product. Where we are at the moment, there is a bit of air stuck in here and not too much. But again, I feel like this is one of those really easy to use products and I just want to use it before it goes bad. And I think I can finish this within a few months. Now this is not going to be something that I'm going to probably wear every day, but also next month we are going away for a little trip, so I feel like this will be a perfect companion. And I don't see any issues with me using it up. It might take me a few months, but I don't think, you know, this will be an issue at all. And then something that might take me a bit longer, I really am not too sure, is this product. So this is the Urban Decay Primer Potion, and this is the original. You can see it's a bit worn, it's a bit loved. I definitely had this for a long time, but I love this. Recently I made a few experiments. Is that the correct word? I don't think so. Carried out a few experiments. I don't know. English is not my first language, but anyway, I basically tried a few different eyeshadow primers day after day to see which one keeps my makeup on the longest, and hands down this is the winner. Now I don't have too much left of it, so you can probably see the line there. It's just down there if my camera decides to focus. Hello, there we go. But I know that this product will last me for ages. You can see I use a lot up of it. It's really flat at this point, but with eyeshadow primers you don't need a lot. Now while I love this, I don't think this is something I would repurchase. Not this one anyway. I would repurchase the Eden one, which is the tinted one, just because I have really thin skin on my eyelids, like most people, and they are really veiny. They're not dark, which would look like a nice darker eyeshadow. They're just really veiny and reddish, so I like to have something with a bit of colour. But you know, this does its job perfectly. It works really well. I love it, but I had it for a really long time. I prefer this to my P. Louise as well, but again, I had it for so long, I want to use it up. And then maybe once I use up a few more, I can repurchase the Eden one. I also have Sin, which is the sparkly one. So, you know, that might pop up later on in projects. That was a hard word to remember for some reason. My brain. But either way, I love this product. It's just hard for me to gauge how long it's gonna last me to use up, because I know for a fact, even though it looks almost empty, there's probably quite a lot of product in there. And if you've seen me project plan before, usually what I do is that once I can get product out, I cut it in half, although I don't know how that's gonna work because there's an applicator in there, so we'll see. Either way, I love this, and I just want to make sure that I finish it up again, like with most of these things, before it goes bad. And also, it will be interesting to see how long it's going to take me, because there's so little left in there. But we'll see. And then the last item is the Charlotte Tilbury Brow Lift Brow Pencil. I have the shade... what shade do I have? Naomi. So... with this one, I love this product. It's really good. It's just your typical slightly chubbier, slanted kind of eye pencil? No, brow pencil. It's a really good match to my hair as well. So I love that. But what I don't fully understand, so on one end it has the pencil, on the other end it has the spoolie, really standard. And then in the middle it has a brow highlight. Now, my only issue with this is that the brow highlight is quite a dark gold color. So on my fair skin, I don't know if the camera will give it back fully. I don't think so. But normally when I put this under my brow, that highlight is too dark for my fair skin. So I feel like they can't really put a color there that's fairly universal, because I have quite dark hair but for really fair skin. But someone who's, you know, deeper in skin tone from me can also have the same color hair as I do, wanting to use this since it's a dark brown, and on them that gold will probably work amazingly. But on my really fair skin, it's just too dark. I need something lighter that's more champagne-y. So, you know, that brow highlight in there just gets a bit wasted on me, which I don't know. I don't want to waste it, but at the same time, I tried it a few times. It doesn't look good on me. But the pencil itself, you will see on the marks as well. I took a picture of it, or I can just, you know, show it to you. Now, I don't have a lot left of this. I mean, when I say I don't have a lot, it's still quite a bit of a nib, I guess. So I expect this to last me probably for a few months if I wear this daily. I don't know if I will. But either way, I love this product, so it's not exactly going to be a pain for me to wear. But brow pencils are something that, again, lately I purchased quite a few brow products. My brows are, I'm going to be honest, are not my favorite part of my makeup routine, but I know they're important to frame my face. I just don't find them exciting. I find them a pain to fill in evenly. So lately I tried to buy a few products that might help me with that. But as a result, I have way too many brow products. Just like a month or two ago, I purchased 2 from Too Faced to start with. So, you know, I don't need that many brow pencils for one set of brows. And I think this is my oldest brow pencil in my collection. And also, there's not a lot left of this. So I decided I'm going to work on this. And we'll see how long it lasts. I think it will still last me for a while. So as with all of these products, if I didn't mention or it was not clear, I want to use them up fully. Now with this one, I just want to use up the brow pencil, not the highlight, because as I mentioned, it doesn't really work for me. So unfortunately, that part of it will be, you know, unused, because I tried, it does not work. But the brow pencil, the actual pencil side, is what I want to use up, and I think that's it for now. I went through all the 6 products, and I will hopefully see you next month for the first update. Let me know what you're going to work on this year. I would love to know, and I will try to catch up with all the videos. There are so many people participating, so you know, there's a lot of content to watch if you enjoy these kind of videos and if you want to see what cream products or liquid products are others working on. But for now I'm gonna go. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing. It would mean a lot to me. But for now I'm gonna go. I hope you have a lovely day, and bye bye.